Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make mods for Yomi Hustle. First, you will need to understand the game's file structure, which is crucial for successful mod development. Next, gather your essential tools. A good text editor and a pixel art program are key. Finally, locate the dedicated mod folder within your game's installation directory. This is typically found in the game's local files, often under a mods or custom content subfolder. Creating custom characters involves designing unique sprites. Use a pixel art editor to craft your character's appearance, ensuring each frame is distinct. Then, define the animation frames and their precise timing to achieve fluid movement during gameplay. It is vital to maintain consistent sprite dimensions, such as 64 by 64 pixels, for seamless integration into the game. Pay close attention to details like hitboxes and hurtboxes for accurate interactions. To create custom moves, you will primarily work with JSON files. These files allow you to define new move properties, including damage values, knockback, and special effects. A deep understanding of hitboxes, hurtboxes, and frame data is essential for balancing your moves. You can implement unique interactions, such as a move that grants temporary invincibility or a projectile that bounces off walls, adding depth to your character. After developing your mod, thorough in-game testing is crucial to identify and fix any bugs or balance issues. Playtest extensively to ensure everything works as intended. Once satisfied, package your mod correctly, typically as a compressed folder, for easy installation by other players. Finally, share your creations with the vibrant Yomi Hustle modding community on platforms like Discord or dedicated forums, gathering valuable feedback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.